We give your number that Vikram does this and that. Add है ना 2000 customer को चला गया. Let's say Dish or Bell and Rogers say, all right, Vikram, who did you pay to get your ads up? So then they get exposed, right? So they don't do ads. That's the problem. जिधर मर्जी बिठा दें. हाँ.
उनकी घर वापसी वहाँ पे है.
नहीं हमारी भाई गद्दी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए. क्या बोलते थे तुम सुनाओ. दिवाली कैसी रही तुम्हारी?
ठीक से बच्चे ना.
अच्छा अच्छा.
छुट्टी कितनी को वसीम साहब?
कल तक पटाखे थे भी बहुत बड़े हैं.
हमारे घर है कल.
ये तो आज भी खराब ही है.
उन्होंने अर्निंग कैसी आई है जी?
सर अमेजोन की ठीक है, ये एप्पल पे लोग इतना खुश नहीं है.
Apple, they did few $1 billion. They're not happy. The investors are not happy. Wait, %. While Amazon went up.
Amazon is up. Amazon खुलते ही ऊपर चला जाएगा. लेकिन Apple is, people are not happy. All right, so Zoom is up, live is up.
सर FTT का हुआ कुछ?
मैं लॉगिन नहीं कर पा.
ये तो 100% डिलीवरेटली है.
नहीं चलेंगे जरा.
नेट भी चल रहा क्या?
Hotspot.
हॉटस्पॉट है.
All right, Zoom is good, live stream is good. Let's look at November 1st. Quite an interesting day because of non-farm and Friday and everything else along the way. So let's look at areas for today, Friday areas. Friday areas are up.
Do you have a minute?
Yes. आ जाए.
Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
तो ये
ये एपेक्स कापियर का मसला है. हाँ, तो वो अभी ना वो डाउन है सर्विस.
और कुछ ऑन भी नहीं हो रहा.
अच्छा.
ये उस वो
नहीं एग्जैक्ट. जब तक ये नहीं आगे जाएगा ना वो नहीं होगा. ओके. हाँ, अभी देख लेते हैं. So
Returns were for the rest of November. 7 days left.
ये एरिया सभी अपडेट होंगे
हो चुकी हैं सर, फ्राइडे के एरिया पे क्लिक करें, फ्राइडे पे ना।
मैंने तो गलत चेक करा था
हाँ
विक्रम है
तो all right, so areas are updated, everything is good. How's the news right now? News was good or bad? Let me check. So, 12K? What is this? This is wrong. Good morning, Ji.
कंपनी अर्निंग्स वगैरह आ रही हैं, डोंट इट्स नॉट गोना वर्क ऑन दैट। देखो नीचे आनी चाहिए तो ऊपर गई, ऊपर गई। कंपनी की अर्निंग्स वगैरह आ रही हैं, राइट? गो अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट यू सी, नॉट व्हाट यू थिंक। जो सामने जो स्पीड हाईवे पे है, उसी के साथ चलोगे।
This doesn't make sense. Only 12,000 people lost job? That's crazy. How do I read this? So they were saying 106,000 people lost jobs, only 12,000. That's a great news, technically. So news is good.
सिर्फ 12,000?
यही तो मुझे it doesn't make any sense.
doesn't make sense. 12,000 तो टोरंटो में हो जाए।
So maybe data is messed up or what.
Unemployment rate only 49. Hourly earnings बढ़ गई है। नहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है सर।
Yeah, and doesn't make sense. 57.16. So far the market is up 30 points, so the 35-point swing has already come from last night, from yesterday, I should say it, so. All right, so this is not okay. Stop share. Jesus Christ. हैं?
एपेक्स कल खत्म हो गया।
मैं सर अभी आपको थोड़ा ब्रीफ के बाद देता हूँ। Yes, sir.
क्या प्लान है?
सर ऊपर बिल्कुल ऊपर से, क्योंकि अमेजॉन इज गुड
वही
ऐप।
कल वाला प्लान है,
हाँ
right?
कल वाला ऊपर से, but along the line if you want to go long, so that's the only plan.
हाँ जी, कैसे हो? ठीक है, खैरियत से?
Okay.
हायर लो बनाए, जैसे हायर लो बनाए।
Let me see here.
उसको हायर लो बनाना, एडवांस में कुछ नहीं होगा। नीचे ऊपर जा रहा, नीचे से ऊपर जब है तब ऊपर से नीचे आती तब क्या लॉन्ग जा रहा है। अब इसने हायर लो बना दिया ना, हायर लो बना दिया, लॉन्ग के लिए हायर लो बना दिया। कंसोलिडेशन में बैठी है।
Hovering, same place. Let's see.
आपका बैटरी ऑपरेटेड है? ये बैटरी अभी उंगलियां कंट्रोल है। 4 बजे 4 बजे निकलेगी।
हाँ, आपकी प्राइस आ गई थी 130 तक।
नहीं सर, मैंने और एवरेज करके 100 में ले आया था।
हाँ
100 में ले आया ना, 130 तक आएगी।
हाँ हाँ,
मैंने कहा भाई और नीचे लाओ।
नहीं आ गई 130, 130 पे बंद हुई।
130 पे आई थी, लेकिन मैं 100 पे निकल गया था। 100 तक ले आया था मैं एवरेज।
हाँ, 96 तक ले गए थे। And we're back down to 90 series. All right. I'm gonna fix my Ninja shortly, guys. On here. Zoom.
From bullet. मैं एक साइड ये होता हूँ।
Two, 2, 4, 2, 8. All right, Zoom screen I can share now.
समझ लो है मजा आ जाए। जय माता लक्ष्मी। जय लक्ष्मी। जय माता लक्ष्मी। कुबेर बाबा की जय। बस माँ कृपा बनाए रखे। This universe has so much to give. We have to do that. ये great enough to them take your answer.
Hey boss, good morning boss. So let's look at NASDAQ is standing right now as 105. So right at the pivot point. It is technically done R1. R1 is done 9 o'clock. So R1 I'm not gonna take. So I have a feeling if Apple versus Amazon. So Apple down, Amazon up, right? So Amazon is already up $10, news is up. So coming to this yesterday's fundamental analysis, market should at least get to R2. Should. But right now it's struggling at that same number, 20,100. Right, so
Sir, ये सच में आया 12,000 new jobs. That's what it is.
so not enough jobs lost.
Not enough jobs.
Create-
New jobs.
Okay. No, that means
There was supposed to be few thousand.
yes, it's a huge difference.
But they got only 12,000 new jobs, 4.1% unemployment rate. ये उसमें भी market watch में भी आया है. That was the number is right.
Because that number was so odd, right?
Yeah, it's too low.
All right, so let's look at night session low. I believe Nasdaq went as low as 67. No, 71. So, sorry, low was 17, almost. Wow. Night session 20,000. Even with the volatility, yesterday's areas were pretty powerful, right? So, and high has been this 146. So, difference has been 129 points. What else? Now, Amazon is good, Apple is bad, and with the news, let's see which market pulls which. I'm carefully watching the stocks of, because whole night Amazon is up almost $13, the value of the stock. However, Apple is only down 4. But Apple has 12%, Amazon only has 6% of NASDAQ, right? So it's right now it's balancing each other out, right? So if Amazon pulls up, Apple pulls down, that's why I'm not seeing a crazy movements at the moment, right?
Just to stack up that 2,100.
Even the non-farm I watched while I was driving, it fell to 67, went back up to 134. So I hope anybody who hedged, you got the money out of it because there was a spike on non-farm today. So, oh wow, food is here. I like it. Somebody gets payout, we get fed and we get bigger. Acha.
Yeah. Yeah, just leave it there. Okay, guys. नाश्ता आ गया.
Nice.
Please help yourself.
हमारा नाश्ता
ये लेकर आए हैं.
हमारा नाश्ता NASDAQ.
Happy Diwali है. Yes.
Absolutely. Yes.
वो जो नहीं मुझे गाइनीज हैं.
हाँ.
क्या नाम है उनका? आपकी वाइफ को भी लेकर आते हैं. वो लेकर आए हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ आप जानते हो.
Okay.
अरे तो so please.
So, for those that celebrate the Festival of Lights, that's the official name, right? The Festival of Lights?
ये नहीं है ना. गलती से
I think this is first time it got mixed with Halloween, same time, right? And interesting, my neighborhood was, I live in north of Brampton, right? And it's amazing, the decorations, right?
Oh,
It's,
yeah, the lightings, yeah.
the lighting and everything.
Somebody here already?
No, it's Friday, we'll say.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
30-20
You can keep your bag, it's okay.
Yeah,
MES का था क्या?
I'm gonna put mine.
yeah.
जब तक मैं जनता ही आता हूँ,
How are you? I haven't
Good.
seen you for a while.
I know,
ये
how are
first
you?
person था।
I've been around like
तीन बार हो
all
गया।
night from home.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's see if it gets to 351,
So is
because that's the strike price.
it gonna go up?
It should.
Because I was confused with the earning, because it went down, right?
No, earnings
Yeah,
of
bring the samosas.
earnings are good, but
It's fresh
people are
flavor
not
and
liking Amazon. People are not liking Apple's performance, what they were, because the question and answer, but it's not down significant. But Amazon is up, so
Yeah, it's like their earning was good, right? So it's just like those guidance and other
Yes,
things that
yes.
I don't understand.
honest to God, today I'll write down 7 days to avoid trading. 7 days is when these magnificent 7 trade. Number 2, anytime you see FOMC. Number 3, when you have an interest rate and non-farm. These happen every quarter or every month. Those are the days you pick. Like, so I yesterday gave an example while everybody was gone. Think about it. These earnings is like they're throwing nuclear bomb in the market, right? It's like it's 7%. So let's suppose this is the point of impact of the bomb, right? So how do you go farther? So this is your R1, R2, R3, R4, right? And yesterday, same idea. You had S1, S2, S3, S4. So yesterday, like the Microsoft and those, and the farther you are, the better it will be for your account, right? If you enter any of when these 7 days happen, and I'll mark these days, I will write it again. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, and Meta. And of course, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This company has more GDP than India, $4 trillion. Like so, when they move, and all of this is 50% of NASDAQ.
50%?
50%. So these are 7 companies that own 50%, and the rest of the 93 companies own 50%. So, and all of these are in S&P, right? So when they announce their earnings every quarter, stay away at the border lines. Like yesterday, we did calculated entries, 5 out of 5 trades. We're like, man, this is the range. So when the explosion happens, stay away from the where the news far is. Like today, unemployment, the data came, it shot down to, and shot up to 146, shot down to 60, I think 70. So the farther you are when its explosion happens, the better you will be. So again today, we have the last one. Everybody is done now. The headache comes in January. Today is Apple and today is Amazon. Amazon is up. Apple is kind of neutral. Neutral in a sense. Earnings are good, but people are not happy with Apple's question and answer session. Because first you have an earning that did good, but investor says so. So right now, this is the other day. What happened? Microsoft was down yesterday, and Meta was down, and that took the market down 500 points with it. Right. So, other day Tesla was up.
Right.
Look, it took the market crazy up. Right. Nvidia was up. So we are done with today is the last day of this headache, and things will go back into smooth days starting Mondays. Right. So.
Election?
So election, yeah. So that's an election. So I literally I wrote stay away in the following. Number 1, of course, you have FOMC. FOMC is the speeches, interest rate. That 2 o'clock is critical. Third one, you can do non-farm. That's really, or you can do mostly any red when the box is red. And the last is Magnificent Seven. So those days, if you just stay outside on the borders, you will be fine. Like today, I'm not entering before. Look at the strike price. It's at 350. 350 is the place we will start thinking of selling. If it comes down. But now the battle will begin at 9:30 between Apple stock and Amazon stock. And watch it on your trading view. Just watch the price. Amazon is already up $11 since last night because Amazon sold everything. Good. So Amazon stock price is going up. However, Apple is only down $4. So maybe investor think, oh, it's a good idea. Let's buy it. So this rally is going to start at 9:30, and we will see if Apple brings it down or Amazon takes it up. So, but we have the areas anyway. But so where are we? 85, 86 night session. So this is exciting. So so what's the level? 19,860? I don't know. S1 is far. S1 is only. So S1 is kind of your night session low. 17 is your night session low. So it's still heading towards night session low, but let's see. Will Apple take it down or Amazon take it up?
Apple is the more.
Apple has more value. Apple has 12%.
Can I just ask you?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Apex payout.
Yes,
So this payout period that they just opened,
yes.
it's still okay.
It's still okay to apply for
full amount, right?
full amount. Take it, man.
Because they were saying that they would change.
Yeah. So withdraw the full, man.
Okay, I requested that.
Okay.
Wasn't sure if it is okay.
Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. And as of yesterday, the values were. Yeah, Apple is at 12%. Microsoft is 11%. Amazon is 6%. Nvidia is 7%. Meta is 3%. And Google is 8%. And Tesla is 3%. Yeah, so all of this adds up to 50.
But that makes the biggest move. Right?
Sorry?
Even though it's
Yeah, I know, it's just a single day mover, right? It's one of those things, but these two guys are really important too, right? So, look at what 11 plus Meta did, 14% down, both stocks down, and then it pulled everybody down, right? So, let us see, so 2077, which way it wants to tilt today. But 351 to sell would be a good resistance, which will put us in the expected high zone.
it didn't pass 100 something, right?
No, 146. So R1 is done.
Like
R1. It did, so it fell down from R1.
Fahad आया
पता नहीं, honestly.
मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा मैं कल ले था ऑफिस के लिए अगर he's on his way something.
I have no idea.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Thanks, man.
Just enjoy.
I like it. Every payout brings someone.
Yeah, so that I get more. Vikram was the biggest so far for me. Because I do individually.
No, that's fine, man. Milk them as much as you can.
Yeah. So I got three this time.
That's good. As long as your investment in Apex is less than your return, you're a winner.
Even if I don't get paid for any of the other account, I'm still in profit.
Good. But now what has done is Apex has now given you that mental skill to manage your real money. So when you go to GFF, you will treat it like same, right? So if you have a 1500 GFF account, if you have a 7500 account, you know how my daily targets are, how that. So I'm good. But still now move to Legends, Milks, Greg.
I'm working on that
Yes.
I got caught in that
450?
because I
You made it higher.
1,000.
So now you gotta make 1000 divided
That
by.
one is gone.
Oh, that's gone. Okay. No problem.
For Legends PA, is it one-time fee or monthly?
One time, I spoke to I called Greg, but don't take it right now. If you pass, wait till he updates our website. Because I spoke to Greg and he's like, oh, today. So it's been saying it for a week. And I said, people are ready to pay your PA fees. I don't want to pay them 85 a month and then refund it and this. So he's going to add two options. 85 per month if somebody wants to go only do it for a month, or 150 lifetime, right? So
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, the Apex one is like no-brainer, like, if it is per month and lifetime, why I would take the monthly one, right? So pressure is up for everything.
yeah, Mehboob bhai said the right thing. It's so confusing. Job data is bad, Amazon is good, Apple is neutral, right?
That's what I was thinking.
So what do we do? Do we go long? Do we go short, right? So I'm still long, like I was long last night.
Whatever I do, I'm gonna do with 1 micro.
1 micro, there you go.
That's it.
And remember, we gotta be all done by 11, otherwise you'll be stuck by 4 o'clock horribly in any trade, right? So, sorry? No. You go with the trend, with or the area. So go, if it's green, buy, go, if it's magenta, sell. So in about 2 minutes, let's see which way the market goes. Maybe it dunks down to 17 first and then pushes up. Let's see. Because it is completely confusing today in terms of all of this.
बोलेगा क्या किसका
19,900.
लोगों का ही होता है आज फर्स्ट डे
It's going down.
It's okay, let it. So still we have 2 minutes before.
Wait for 60?
17. Night session low. To be 100% sure.
या 2 दिन छोटी बस वो लिमिट क्रॉस करी तो आप शाम
हाँ ये लिख रहे हैं अरे एक समोसा खा लिया मेरी उम्र में एक ही बहुत
There you go, 57. Yeah, so it's officially open now, so let's see which way it rises.
Good morning.
Good morning, G. It's so confusing right now. मैं सर अभी बताता हूँ. Night session high is 146, remember. So let me start looking at the stock prices of everybody. So Apple is starting to go up. Amazon is up 13. Tesla is up. Microsoft is up. So hopefully it will take it back up. So everything looks green today except two markets, Google and Apple.
So you're checking that stock, right?
Trading View. Just I've watched only these 7 to see, because these 7 will
Is
decide.
that free?
It's free. But delayed data, but it's okay, it's free. It kind of tells you a good idea.
Well, what's the place you look at?
Trading View app.
Trading View.
Trading View app. So you can pick any stock and watch the.
Oh, that's a great idea.
You've been buying today, right?
Sorry?
That you've been buying?
We should, but from an area. Wait, because problem today is, it's not like yesterday where both stocks were down. Today we have a little bit of a mixed news. Job data is bad. Amazon is good. Apple is neutral. So that's why market is kind of stuck. Which way do we want to push? The moment Apple goes into green, you are going to start seeing some push back up.
Is interest rate next week?
Interest rate is next week, right? So
So when you talk about interest rate, about
US. Everything we talk about is US because not Canadian whatsoever, right? So I hope it gets to at least 300 ranges today because some reversal will come back. Hopefully, let's see.
300 is acceptable.
Yeah. So I'm waiting it to go to. If it happens before 11, yes, good. But if not, then
I'm not gonna trade after 11.
oh no.
So today everything is the high strike price, right?
Yeah. So investors are now thinking who to listen, who to follow. नाइट सेशन लो तो अभी 17 बहुत दूर है. So first would be your night session low. There you go, down to 74. Let's see. Let's see.
अच्छा
अच्छा
जी सर.
सर ये देखिए आ नहीं रही है
सर ये डैनियल को फ़ोन करें. हाँ, क्योंकि ये मेरी जॉब से बाहर है.
अच्छा अच्छा
क्योंकि मैं कर नहीं पाता.
ओके ओके
तो ये किस में कुछ आइडिया?
नहीं नहीं, वो आपकी कोई उनको 1 आवर में कॉल कर लें कि मेरे चार्ट्स नहीं चल रहे, ये पूछ लें।
हाँ जी, not yet touched.
R2? Oh, you're talking about yes.
नाइट सेशन हाई तो हो गया।
That's
पहुँच गया वो।
हाँ हाँ 140, लेकिन R1 हो चुका है, तो इसलिए हमने, क्योंकि मार्केट का सेंटिमेंट ऊपर का है, तो विल वेट हायर हायर हायर। So let go to 250 before we go and play any short game. Like 5776 for area for it's almost an R2 for, it's coming from an R2, but still Nasdaq is going up because Nasdaq thak gayi thi niche. So now Apple is starting to gain value, so things are starting to go up. Look, Apple is, and both Apple and Amazon is, so this is night session high. So low to go high is our strategy in terms of, but when it gets to around 300 series, we will think about 250, 270, 300 to sell. वो देखें ले गए ऊपर, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ले जाएंगे far. So let's go and wait for 250 at least.
S&P में कहाँ कितनी बैठ रहा है?
S&P पे आपने एक्सपेक्टेड हाई सर? नहीं R2 देखें टच करके थोड़ी सी नीचे आ गई थी, राइट, वो पूरा 2 पॉइंट दिया है, तो अब आप 80 का या वेट करें, मैं रेकमेंड करूंगा 5800 का, वहां से गुड शॉट बनेगा। Sell. Yes, it should take a retrace from 5800. It's only 20 points because look, Nasdaq is starting to climb back up. Because again, Meta, every single stock is in green right now. So, कल के blood bath के वजह से थोड़ा सा
there's also two news, right?
9 or 2 minutes we have news. Is it high impact? Let me see. Yes, news at 10 o'clock is high impact, and this one is low impact. So every time it will plunge around 100 series, we'll see.
हाँ पीछे 5900 पे बैठे थे, यहाँ 57 का up there down there.
One day more than 100, right? Yesterday.
Let it come down more. Let me see, 130 becomes the base of R1, and then if it goes up.
So Nasdaq and PS are in two levels, right? Two different
Yes.
levels?
Eva? What are we up to? Again, tries to make the 130 a base over and over to see if 130 can become a base, good base, and then shoot to 250. So, testing. बेस मीन देखें ऊपर गई है 130 क्रॉस की, अब वो 130 को सपोर्ट बना रही है. If it makes a base and a support, then it will go. So it's testing to see if 130 is a good support. So R1, if it becomes a good support, then it will bounce and then shoot up.
130 पे फिर कोई बाय सेल कुछ नहीं बनना
नहीं अब हम सेल तो करेंगे ना R2 पे.
R2 पे
Yeah.
250 around 230
I am looking at 250. So 100 points from here. But look, along the mid bands, green are working beautiful on ES.
ये वो R2 टच किया तो नीचे है फिर ऊपर
नहीं अभी R2 नहीं टच किया. हमारा नैस्डैक का नहीं टच हुआ. ES का हो गया. ES तो अभी डाइवर्जन में बैठी है. It's all depending on which way Nasdaq wants to. Nasdaq must get to another 100 points now. Let's see, tries to go to test one more time. So let's see, so everything is starting to go back up.
टिकट पे सेल करें मतलब आता है भाई
See, the thing is, once you hit an area of 300,
Like your area is done again. So now we just take R2 हो गया ना, अब R3. So now we 5800 or mid band to go up. If you wanna go buy, mid band to go up. Just watch 30-20 if it's overbought slightly.
ये वाला Franklin
Doesn't work for Nasdaq, huh?
No, Nasdaq truly areas. Otherwise you're gonna get stuck horribly.
just once it reaches 5800, it's gonna hit it and come down. So that coming down is what we want to capitalize on.
तो मैंने क्या मैं एग्जिट ले लिया था
I place my order.
So let's see if it breaks previous high of 172. Ten o'clock, guys. Yes, big news, which is high impact. So we could have a bit of a volatility. I'm not in any trade at all. 957, yes. So 130 looks like a good base now. Comes to 130, bounces back up. Comes to 130, bounces back up. So let's see in about 2 minutes, how's the manufacturing index? And I think stock prices is all back to, everything is green now, including Amazon and Apple starting to come back up. So, only thing is news which is bad today, unemployment, the employment news.
Non-farm employment. Too small. It can beat the estimate. Beat it by 12. Oh, wait, it's not beat it. Oh, wait. Bad for currency to come out.
So let it come down. There you go, news is about to start.
It's green to go up, right? Practically?
Yes. Let's see. So 1 minute.
20 seconds left.
No, it's only saying
Oh, it's already
1 second.
Yeah, crazy up.
Surge enough.
To spending,
Pending.
construction spending is neutral.
Look at those swings, man.
PMI is down and red. I mean, according to the PDF, red means go down, but I don't know.
Are we pending?
No, no pending anymore.
Refresh kar lein.
Yeah.
So, manufacturing prices is green, manufacturing PMI is red.
So,
So I don't know.
Again confusing.
yes, this is
It's not going up.
this is gonna go. This is neutral. So what we call it, that one green, one red. So
I guess one thing is that one has more, One is the high impact,
Yes.
one is medium impact, but no clear.
Take your 2 points and get out.
Yes.
No, I need 10 points, so we don't do micro.
We're doing micro, right?
I'm trying not to touch mini today. Let's see.
Let's keep it that
My goal is until after the election. But it's so tempting sometimes. So.
I don't know.
Why? Why is the color different?
So 183.
It's the man.
Shouldn't be up again. Let's see if it. So previous high is 187. It's gone up to 187. 20,190. 20,087.
Maybe it's
Tries to test R1 as a support. Let's see.
Looks like Nasdaq is stuck in that one.
Yeah, back to R1, testing that. It's one of the most confusing days where news versus earning versus. What's the morning low? I think it went down to 87, maybe. Come on, go back up. Let's see if it's testing R1 as a.
Yeah, morning low is 57. 20,050 something. 57.
So again, testing 130, goes back. So let's see if it breaks 87 now. There you go, broke almost.
Getting there.
Sorry?
Getting there.
Yeah.
180.
300 is what I'm looking for, honestly, before I think of short today. Look at that, great, broke it. 193. Big 54-point swing coming down. '87 ES is go with the trend, guys. Don't go against the trend. So in ES, everything, because
Shorter the revolution, the longer ये एक reversal आएगा छोटा push up.
beautiful, beautiful. Keep going up. Excellent. Almost at 200, guys. But again, we're not going to take too many points, just may not be reversal. So short में कम रहना है, hit and run है.
Okay.
क्योंकि कल से कहाँ से नीचे से आ रही है, राइट? सो शॉर्ट में नहीं जल्द ज़्यादा। ट्रू शॉर्ट मैंने इसीलिए कहा है कि ट्रू शॉर्ट बनेगा R3 पे, ट्रू शॉर्ट।
350
R2 बन सकता है क्योंकि 17 से आ रही है, राइट? तो बिकॉज 789 का 35% इज 276, so 20,007 plus 276, so 293 to 300 will be a strong resistance. Look, this is amazing. So don't think it's hitting the guardrail and now it's going to come down. जाने दें, कल की कसर निकाल रही है वो। So yet today we have predicted this and it's happening as we are, because every stock is up, so we're going to stay in long today. Don't worry, Kil. I want this to go to 300.
Just goes straight.
Yeah, look, it's 46-point swing, man.
Mine actually keeps lagging.
Hotspot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's internet is big issue right now.
Well, like even at home too. It's like there's only myself here.
Shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Now we'll go up. Yeah, it'll go up from here. Let it break 22 before I go take a overbought. Because we are almost in R2 zone. R2 zone. Very.
50, right?
Yeah,
22 पे पहुंच गई ना।
yes. So let it break to 30 to 50 because they're keeping an eye on this. Seven more points. Yeah, I know ES is struggling. Nasdaq is struggling. कहाँ से आ रही है? 200 पॉइंट चढ़ चुकी है। 17 से रात से आ रही है। So चढ़ने दें 220 almost. Let it break. 222. There you go, 220, 222, 223. So the first level of resistance, second level is coming, 225, 30. There you go, we're almost in there. Good. We should bounce back. There you go, I took some areas, I am done. And I've taken a two. So R2, come on, drop now. Man, I can't. There you go. Everybody should be in profit. Everybody.
I got my 10 points.
Congratulations. माइक्रो नैस्डैक फेंक दें, सारों के बन जाएंगे।
फैमिली हम सेल्फ
नहीं वो लेट हो गए, बहुत लेट हो गए।
30 भी लेना
वो 30 था ना, 30 से 50 तो वो लेट हो गए, वो पूरी स्विंग आ गई ना। अब R1 दोबारा देखते हैं जाके वो बनती है।
I placed it at 2 very long.
और 130 अराउंड
नहीं R1 130 है ना,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
तो वो बेस बनेगी ना.
हाँ जी.
So let's see if it comes down to 150 first. That's the, but your R2 is done. Anybody who took R2 is 230 zone is done. Trying to test R2 one more time. Hit and run. Nasdaq is back up 200 points after this. One more time test. Let it break 233. The next area.
So it's 250.
Yep. I had shorted from 240 actually, so 239. Let's see. Are you in short? From where?
From 235.
Yeah, but that swing already gave you profit. Or you re-entered? Oh, you re-entered second time?
Yes.
Okay. Second time, you can't. So I'm just saying, next time, second time, don't.
I just wanted the swing.
Oh, yeah, that swing, let it break. So now you know, don't enter again. So 250 was the area, 245 it came, so we're done with 250 as well.
240.
Yeah, so
I went with the area, but I usually let it go like 10, 11 points and then I enter.
Yes, almost went to the.
yeah, so ES is almost 4 points away to get to your expected high. So, like again, nuclear, the farther you are from the better it is to, you won't get hit by sharpnel and not get damaged, right? So, if you're in the R1 zone and do it as short, it's at R3, right? So, all of this makes sense fundamentally. So, the more you will see, hey, this is so easy to understand. Where should I enter? In those 7 days, as far away, like tsunami is coming. So, hopefully it will take you out. But you're in profit.
Yeah, I got like.
Yeah, because that, now it's trying to break 250. That's the next. Let's see if it tries to break 250 then.
245. Wow, the next one is 340.
Tesla is up $1, Microsoft is up, Meta is up, Amazon is up, Apple is back to break even. So Google is at, so I think it maybe at 300 it will lose its momentum. 20,300. Nvidia is up $4. So now it's trying to break 250, but it's having hard time. ES is almost at your area, right? The 230 worked, and let's see if it breaks. 247, 250. Let's see. 254. 256.
Another question.
जी सर.
ES के बारे में
हाँ, हाँ.
अच्छा मुझे फोन किया कहते कि 30 मिनट पे रेड बॉक्स
हाँ, हाँ.
क्लियर है, उसने फिल कर दिया.
ठीक है. अब आने जाना चाहिए, आनी चाहिए. नीचे आ जानी
अब
चाहिए.
नीचे आने.
देखिए 5800 हमारा टारगेट था.
5800.
वहीं से ऑलमोस्ट 5890 से आ रही है, 98 से.
ओके.
तो एक्सपेक्टेड हाई इज टेक्निकली डन.
मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
मुझे बहुत
No
ज़्यादा
problem.
आया चल जाने.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
ओके. 5890 राइट? 90?
Yeah, no, it's done because computer predicted 5800. It bounced down from 5798. So that area is done second time. 250 is done Nasdaq and R3 is done on ES. Sorry, लिया 50 points. नहीं, 250. ठीक है, एरिया से लिया 1 out of 1 ट्रेड पूरा. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. अब हम बेचेंगे 350 से, क्योंकि स्ट्राइक 350. आप बेशक 5 माइक्रो लगा लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. 350 स्ट्राइक प्राइस है और 350 एक्सपेक्टेड हाई है. अब मेरी किस्मत में पता होगा 330 से आ जाती है, 340 से ये. So now it's testing your, yes. So 230 is done, 250 is done. So anybody who took those trades should not be any,
I got 10 points from each one of them.
congratulations, good. No, I'm up $2,700, but I lost a bit yesterday trying to recover.
Vikram, I'm having a good cry right now.
Good. It's better to have that than
Because I decided to meet my business for
Now let's see if it makes a diversion on ES and tries to test 5800 again. Let's see.
missing in a one
Because 1045 is the reversal time.
touched it and went back. So this is going to be a diversion. $57.95 पे लगाया हुआ था. 57.93 पे आगे ऊपर चली गई.
mid-band.
So that area I'm not gonna take. We're almost inside the 240 chart now, the black line at the magic band number. So now the momentum should kind of be lost now, hopefully. Let's see. Time will tell. It's definitely 250 is having struggle now.
Yes, like what third time came.
Because remember, it started at 20,100, right? So almost 150 points and 232 points from yesterday. ES is in diversion, 1510, and it's almost in the expected high. So Amazon is pulling it up because Amazon is up $13 now, just like Tesla the other day. But Apple is not cooperating with Amazon. Broke 56. Let's see.
Circuit height 340, 380.
Yes, almost went up there again.
Let's see if it tries to break 56 again. All right, I'll be right back.
इनकी भी ग्रोथ लगता है जल्दी आ गई है। हाँ। उनके पास भी जिस तरह हम कश्ती बिठाते हैं इस कश्ती में Today, I have a feeling it's going to go to 59, 59,
5,900 today? Oh, yeah, it took.
a feeling it is going to go. You just need to catch it from the right place.
I was thinking of selling from 05. After I heard about your feelings, I aborted.
Now, a feeling is going to be better. Because Apple is gone neutral. Amazon is positive. All the other stocks are.
276.
Nasdaq is rushing up.
Yeah.
This one is not even given a proper retrace.
That's true.
Now the 1600. 60 minutes now. It's already crossed the midband and is pushing towards the outer band.
300.
Nasdaq is pushing up.
After 10:45, maybe there is.
Yeah, at 10:45 we should see some reversal.
Yeah, because they're buying. They have to sell, right?
All right, good. Keep going up. broke 276.
Still don't make more. How's it? How's the any answer? No. Yeah, it's a fellow.
यहाँ करीब रख दी, ठीक है?
The 30-20 overbought, but it's okay, because from yesterday's effect. Yes, yes, yes. I think I'm in a trade, in a profitable trade.
Did you show it?
Yeah, I showed it.
Then you're in trust.
I'm always a short type of a guy.
Down to
Yeah, every trade has money. This one doesn't.
So my ninja showing that the legend is connected.
Okay.
But it doesn't, my legend account doesn't show on the.
Same problem.
Oh.
Legends is having
Oh, they're having problems.
They're
Same with the
having-
Tradify.
Tradeify?
Tradify also.
Maybe then Trader Weight is having problem.
Oh, okay, maybe.
Maybe.
Okay. Because it's connected, but it's just not.
It's not showing. I think trader weight is having.
Ah, okay.
How long if DT puts it on hold? Because yesterday I paid them, it's still on hold.
Which one?
No FTT.
आपने कहीं से शॉर्ट किया? आ गई, बड़ी स्पीड से आई है।
Oh, it went down to 30.
Yeah.
I was waiting.
एरियाज चले जी, जिस तरह चलने चाहिए। नहीं वो ठीक है, लेकिन जो 5800 ES का एरिया वो भी चल गया।
चला। Vikram, did you get your replacement?
I have a samosa, thank you very much.
No, I mean the replacement.
No,
No.
I just came back.
$10.40. So highest is 277.
I was waiting at 300.
No, I'm still like, I took the 230, then I took 245, and then I took 262. It's okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's
But now
Very good thing.
300, nothing before 300. But true money will come from 351 or higher.
yeah. I had 4 trades so far, so 10 points. So I got $80. So it's good.
Micros, right?
Today I decided
Micro.
to stay with micro.
Brother, you took any area?
Yeah.
Yeah.
250, 230.
Good, good.
Yes, if it goes to 350, maybe I will change to mini.
But remember, 10 points only. Today's
No,
bias
if I
is
do
long.
Mini, I will go with 5. 5 points. If it goes there. If not, oh, it's going down, further down. So yes, might be going down to R2. Have you gone to the finish line with 25? Dr.
No, not yet. Went up twice, went down twice.
Keeps going down now.
It's okay. Coming from the area. 1045 reversal.
And yes, it's going to R2.
Let it come down. It's coming down from all the way from 277. It's down.
To 208.
Yeah.
That's a 70 point.
10:42,
Hmm?
10:45 it will start bringing reversal. So it's already 10:43.
But I guess they're coming down already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, keep coming down more. Two oh two, 201. We are now 150 would be a good support. Fully down, back 180.
Yeah, I guess all those people who bought, now they're selling and
180. It's okay, that's good. Short happens like this.
Yeah, but it's not giving any opportunity.
No problem, don't worry, 180. Now it will. It has created enough liquidity in my opinion.
So 150 के बंदी पाई
150 पे थोड़े से पॉइंट्स के लिए, ज़्यादा नहीं. चलेगी वापस. कितनी पॉइंट आई है? 80 पॉइंट नीचे आई पहले. आपने कुछ लॉन्ग लिया? नहीं नहीं, अच्छा. 5780. Look at area where it bounced exactly from R2 top. R2 में ऊपर से आ रही थी. Look at ES. ES came down from R3, bounced back from your.
more than 20 points.
Yes, yes. Now it's going to do a mid-band test. Let's see.
Yeah, straight away down.
अब मेरा ख्याल है सारे.
We need to activate. It's not working.
Yeah, that's why, yeah, it's the rhythmic is okay. I'm only doing with Apex. And I guess the FTT is okay because it's
Yesterday Nasdaq was down, ES was down 100 points. It's back up to 50 points. So yesterday's
Yeah.
50% swing has recovered, right? So let's see.
right now.
Amazon is up 13 points and $13. Everything is green except Apple.
So that's an app you said, right?
Yeah, the Trading View. It's a free app. और सर शॉर्ट की ज़्यादा बन गए.
लिमिट गई थी
हाँ, हाँ.
पर वही वो जहाँ आपको बात हुई कि वही सेल किया सर 375 था वो एफटीडी का वो मिनिमम
हाँ.
लॉस 170 का था
187.
187
यस यस 187 से नीचे लॉस होगा तो ट्रेड डे काउंट हो जाएगा.
राइट पर सर वही सेटअप एग्जैक्ट वो आरती वाला
या तो it's making a diversion on ES now towards the down. Broke the previous. All right, coming down fast. Ah, free fall. Amazing. This is what I like about this. होनी तो चाहिए. Let me see 130 जाती है क्या?
Sir, legend है जो can we connect to entity metro?
No, I don't know. No, you can't. But look, it came down to the area, bounced back up from approximately the same. Let's see. Mid-band testing, one more time. Yeah, it's Apple really
Legend resolved it.
resolved it.
Yeah, I just got.
So, okay.
This KRK, there is guy. with
Yeah,
name
Kirk, yeah.
He is efficient. He does it quickly. He just came, he did it.
Wait till these guys make a ton of money. The support is gonna go down. Wait, they have to give you money. When? That's the good question. Back up from the area, bounce, beautiful bounce. So 350 guys, 300 to 350. I'm looking at 350 now. Oh, shot up, beautiful.
I was thinking of buying from 150.
I did. When it came down, I hit buy market. I'm like, I'm taking.
I did the 150. But
It didn't go there,
It
right?
didn't go there.
Yeah, so when it came to 156, I'm like, I'm entering. Because remember, I'm just in there for 5-10 points, right?
Yeah.
So, let's see. What a huge swing back up, 50 points this way. So this is the highest, 206 or no? No. What's the highest? 277. Now it's again. Now what does it want? It's between R3 and R2. Now it's the real battle between buyers and sellers. Ten up, 10 down, 10 up, 10 down. Consolidation. this is where it messes up. That 10 up, 10 down is which way it's gonna go. No idea if you have any question. Ay, ay, ay.
इसको डिस्कनेक्ट करके वापस इसको डिस्कनेक्ट करो नहीं डिस्कनेक्ट करो कनेक्शन डिस्कनेक्ट
सॉरी हाँ जी दे दें एनी लेजेंड अभी 10 मिनट पहले फिक्स हुआ है ये प्रॉब्लम है वो अब फिक्स करो है या इट्स फिक्स चार्ट लगाना
Maybe not easy today.
So that's the problem. वेटिंग सबसे मुश्किल काम है इस सारी गेम में ना वेटिंग
Oh yeah, that time like you're waiting and waiting and waiting.
सर कहते हैं ये इंसान समझ जाए तो और क्या चाहिए तो कुछ दिन समझेगा
नहीं प्रॉब्लम पता क्या हर वक्त मार्केट चल रही है और आप होता है यार ये स्विंग आई ये स्विंग इफ यू ओनली पे अटेंशन लाइक नहीं आप बैठे हैं ना नैस्डैक में ईएस में 5800 नंबर दिया गया था आपको आपने बेचा निकल गए आप पूरे हफ्ते के पैसे कमा लिए राइट नहीं क्योंकि आप आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कॉन्फिडेंट बिल्ड कर रहे हैं ना एरिया पे जब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आ जाएगा आप पूरा लॉट भेजेंगे मैं 10 माइक्रो बेच दिया करेंगे नो प्रॉब्लम हाँ फुल मिनी कोई मसला नहीं है सर मैं 10 माइक्रो से पहले खेल ही नहीं रहा आज इट इज ब्यूटीफुल नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ कि कॉन्फिडेंट ये भी फुल में नहीं फेंकते हैं इट्स ओके नाउ लेट्स सी इफ इट ब्रेक्स एंड गोज बैक अप टू इन 300 all we have to do is wait now you're understanding areas
Yeah, I am.
consistently work with it and the magic I told you these 7 days just see the market reaction these 7 days sit on the borderline R3 S3 because S3 yesterday if he entered 130 went down came back up we were okay so these explosion days is the dangerous days right
Stay away as far as you can.
so these 7 magnificent 7 they're earning FOMC non-farm and last one is interest rate that's the day where you say man I am staying the hell away from the market
ऊपर की तरफ ही है नीचे गिर जाओ ऊपर जा रहे हैं वापस देखो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਹੀ ਪਾਸੇ ਗਏ ਇਹ ਸਭੀ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਇਲਟੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨਾ
So legends steady fly further back.
okay sir any test हैं आपका legends करवाओ Because I think Tradeify had some problems, so
144,
144.
8317, 250 crore,
हाँ जी, except
376.
we're back up
कुछ नहीं करना, 25.
350.
Sliding हो गया.
Man, they took away how much commission from me? Tradeify. 3460 minus 2699. $761 commissions. Because I play micros, right? So Tradeify is so much commissions.
FTT doesn't charge anything.
No commission.
So Rafi, which platform should I go with this, with the paid account? GFX?
AMP.
AMP.
सर एक्सेप्ट करना आपने मैं Only stock down is Apple, but it's not crazy down, only $3. ये सर लॉग इन कीजिए पासवर्ड
ये सब ऊपर जा रही है
सर जाने दे पिछला एरिया तोड़ने दे
791
सर हमने 5810 से पहले नहीं घुसना
मैंने बाय किया हुआ है
नहीं फिर आप ट्रेल करें
ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ
वेरी गुड
Can you trail your profit?
Yeah.
Like, trail and get more?
Nasdaq
No, in ES.
yes you can trail let's say you enter it's profit
Well, like, can you buy more micro?
not worth to buy just you can buy more to scale up
Okay.
but then you can trail
Okay.
trailing would be a better option
Unknown email address है.
सर आपके ईमेल क्या है इनका
हमारे हम प्रारंभिक है. मैंने पहली बारी कर रहे हैं.
नहीं अच्छा आपने पहले नहीं किया अच्छा सॉरी ये भरें जी सर अपनी ईमेल पे कंफर्म करें ईमेल खोल के ना ये फार्म भर देने. Now it's in consolidation of that area.
Sir, just wanted to say thank you.
For
Expected high say 29 points.
exactly. Congratulations.
एडी के लिए
हैं? अपने फुल हैं?
जी oh yes
वो एक्सप्लोजन याद रखिएगा ये 7 दिनों का. हमेशा R3 S3 पे बचत हो जाएगी. सेफ.
प्रॉफिट में नहीं.
प्रॉफिट में निकलना. हमने थोड़ा सा, मैं वहाँ पर अंदर आया था 262 से शॉर्ट था.
क्या
वो
आपने
वापस
बताया?
जाके 156 पे आई.
करेक्ट.
Like, मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये हो गया, ट्रेडिफाई में 3500 बन गया.
ओह तो अभी
तो
आपको lose करना
नहीं आज मैं नहीं लूज, मैं अब अपना टारगेट ऊपर ले जाऊंगा. राइट, सो दैट्स माय प्रॉब्लम. इट्स नॉट, so it's okay. When you just analyze these 7 days, you guys won't have too much trouble when to enter, when to exit. So as was, market went down 700 points last night, 800. We are not going to enter R2, expected high.
They have their earnings like 4 times a year,
Yeah, 4 times a year, 4 times.
every quarter.
And whoever recommended me C Trader for FTMO, thank you. I went C Trade. There's another app that I'm using. FTMO allows Meta, C Trader, another one. I'm testing C Trader. It's really good, really. It's like Nitro. So just saying. I don't know if any other company works with C Trader, but I enjoyed C Trader with FTMO. You can drag your stop losses. You can drag your. यार वो ना मुश्किल सा है. मुझे ये पसंद आया C Trader. So.
C-Trader is better than Nitro?
Sorry?
Better than Nitro?
No. C Trader looks like this. Watch this. Same idea like Nitro.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can drag your stop
Yeah,
losses.
yeah, I
You
like
can. So once you enter, you know how. आपने मुझे C Trader का बताया, किसी ने मुझे कल, क्योंकि मैं अब FTMO पे C Trader यूज कर रहा हूँ. बहुत अच्छा. फ्री ऐप है. लेकिन अगर आपने मेटा पे साइन अप किया है ना, तो आप मेटा ही रहेंगे. अगर आपका रियल अकाउंट मेटा पे है, मेटा ही रहेगा. तो मैंने अभी जो एक और लिया है वो गया है C Trader पे. सो आप डेमो मेटा में करेंगे, लेकिन आपको रियल में C Trader कराएंगे. वो बेटर ऐप लगी मुझे.
डेमो उसका जो करा था ना,
हाँ
वो कनेडियन में करा था.
ठीक है, डजंट मैटर. फिर सब कुछ
240 का उन्होंने कर दिया.
नो प्रॉब्लम,
डजंट मैटर.
डजंट मैटर.
So, Rafi bhai,
जी जी.
the FTT rally, so it's no longer 1500, right? It's 2700?
2750.
2750.
Yes. Oh, they're still having lots of problem with FTT payouts.
They haven't paid anything?
They have paid smaller guys, 1,500, 3,000, but not the big. I'm approved back to the list, but I can't even log in. हाँ जी सर, वो कैश प्राइस है. नहीं, हमने ग्राफ देखने इधर है. प्राइस इधर की देखनी है, इधर की. ये जो सब नहीं, ये वाली प्राइस है जो चल रही है एरियाज की. प्राइस ये देखनी है, उधर हमने केयर नहीं करनी. नहीं सर, नहीं. सेल क्यों करना है? ग्रीन है सब कुछ. बल्कि मिड बैंड लेना था ना, ले लिया तो ठीक है, बस सेल क्यों करना है अगेंस्ट द ट्रेंड? सेल सिर्फ उस वक्त करना है जब एरिया आएगा. So every time, so just to quickly say, if it's, that's the only time you go, normally go with trend. So with trend, you will take a gap trade and mid-band trade. Gap and mid-band is same. Buy from mid-band. This is you're buying or selling. But when you have an area or level, you will go against the trend, either up or down. So you will be red and you're going to buy. And you'll be green and you're going to sell. So why these areas? We call them reversal points. So if the price is going up, it's okay, it's green, right? But at a certain point, price has to come down and maybe go back up again. Just like 5800 was the number. Now 5810. So computer predicts that by 5810, you should be overbought. It's a good time to sell. So by the time, this is R3 level 2, I call it, R3 level 1. So if the gap is bigger, you can take both. But if the gap is small, let's say 5801 and 5803, then don't take, then skip next level. No problem. But this was very much expected. What is happening is not a surprise. Before I went home, we gave a full, what could happen today. It is happening just like we had predicted. Market went down 800 points because of Microsoft and Meta. Now earnings are good for Apple. So starting Monday, things will go back to normal. R2 is okay, R1 is okay, S1 is okay, S2. So when there's no explosion, you can take those nearby areas. नहीं सर, मैं आप 2 माह में बैठे, उनको लास्ट वीक समझ आ गया कि भाई एरिया है और वो कंसिस्टेंसी अब से अपना, ये रवि भाई, एक दफ़ा एरिया से आपको चिपक जाए ना, फिर माउस दूर रखना है अपने से. नहीं, माउस की बैटरी निकाल दें, क्लिक हो ही ना जाए, एरिया आए तो 1 मिनट का काम है जी बस. जस्ट डूइंग योर So that'll be a good Saturday lecture. So I'm waiting to it to either break 5800 or 300, 350 zone. Then we will think of selling. नहीं 250 तो हो चुका है ना, हमने 277 भी हो चुका है. हम वेट करेंगे 300, पहला एरिया क्या है 350 तक, क्योंकि स्ट्राइक प्राइस भी वही निकल रही है ना. तो 340 के बाद रिस्क लेंगे. मैं 340 ही करूँगा, क्योंकि 277 बहुत क्लोज आ गई और यहाँ से अगर ये 60 पॉइंट की स्विंग ले गई ना, so 340, 350 would be a good resistance. Keeping a close eye at 351. Every single day you can plan your trades. Every single day without. So 5810 is your number for those waiting for ES.
से हम लोग फिर क्या करें, सेल करेंगे?
I don't have the copier here anymore.
Apex copier or Flowbot copier? Either or?
Either or, I don't have.
Did you re-update everything?
No.
Give me any disk and I will look. मिड बैंड चला जी लोगों का, आपने मिड बैंड लिया.
1906931.
Okay, yeah, just give me 2 minutes, I'm gonna finish his thing. Because Apex Copier is giving problem today. You couldn't log into Apex Copier at all. A lot of guys complain
Yeah,
and
I'm done with Apex. I'm just
no, I mean the copier itself works, right?
Oh, okay.
So it's just look at that swing, 266. Wow.
see, that's tempting for me.
No temptation,
When I
man.
see like anything over 30.
No, but then wait for the, okay, if you want to do an overbought trade,
Yeah.
let it test mid-band, let
Yeah.
it break high, then you take 5 points.
Yeah,
Because look, it's a 40-point swing, so let it test. So I know it's crazy and it could break 277 right now. Look, previous high is
No,
277.
I always let it to test the mid band.
Yes, look, it's still testing. Because you could have entered now and you're like, my God, I'm stuck now. I do
I
it,
got in 40 points over,
and then,
and then I went to like 70 more.
so let it test the mid-band first and then break the previous high, and that's where you would do an overbought in Nasdaq.
Yeah.
A single shot swing, my God. Yes, again tries to test now. There you go, 1500 and done. 273, 50-point swing, amazing. Let it test mid-band, go back up, let it break. 277 now. See, this is where people get caught.
Yeah.
So let it break now, it broke. Wait. See, it's a little bit of a safer trade than. मैं सर वो आखिरी पे स्टेप्स हैं. अब आप ये निंजा खोल दें तो डन. Look, you see, you make money after the retrace.
Yeah.
So overbought, let it touch the mid band, let it break the previous high, you sell, you will get few points out of it,
Yeah.
rather than a single swing.
I'm just writing right now.
Again, ES area tested, 50 almost, and gave us few points. Ninja khol lein ji. Now it will consolidate here and then go to the next station, 350. And ES may be touching the mid band now and go to 50 at 10 next. There you go. Now it's so now this is a better overbought trade rather than a straight single swing.
Yeah.
So let it go, like this was a 45-point swing. We waited, we said, because where do you enter? Do you enter at 30, 31, 32, 33? You're like, it's overbought. Okay. Let it test mid-band, break previous high,
Right.
whatever the high was, and then you sell. So that number after 40, now even if you sold at 73, now now you're down, you already made 10 points. Remember, you're in there for only 10 points, right?
Yeah, I made like what, 120.
Yeah, 100,
Yeah.
that's like 6 points, man.
Yeah.
With,
Still recovering from last night.
had you just paid attention to, it's an explosion day, stay on the boundaries.
Yeah.
Don't play within the field. It was Magnificent 7. They're playing. They're playing 50% of NASDAQ, $1 trillion.
Oh, yeah.
So, and two of the biggest ones had an earnings to the same day, Microsoft and Meta. That's 14% of NASDAQ. Both went down almost $20, 6%. So had you entered at 130, you were rocking, right? You made money. So There you go, it's testing your mid-band. It's gonna go back up because NASDAQ is done your overbought retracement. And let's see. If NASDAQ goes down, then this mid-band is not gonna work. So it all is true to NASDAQ. So I will remove. There you go, that mid-band works because NASDAQ decided to go back up. सर मैं NASDAQ की पल्स देख के आपको बता सकता हूँ कि मिड बैंड ने ऊपर जाना है कि नहीं. And there you go, that mid band gave you 2 points. Overbought, retrace. So overbought was 45, then it came back. अब ये मिड बैंड नहीं लेना, ये अगर रिजेक्शन में कोई ये अब रेड हो जाना है क्योंकि इसने 2 पॉइंट दे दिए थे आपको. So it all now it depends. If NASDAQ wants to go to 350, then your ES will go to 5810. ठीक है, 2 पॉइंट मिड बैंड से ले लिए ना. So I think it's a rejection wick, so NASDAQ is gonna bother you here. So I think a Legends problems are all solved. My Legends connection. There you go, that mid-band is gonna break now because NASDAQ has decided to come down. 2 didn't break 277. Still we're not sure. Strong. There you go, sir, all done. No problem. There you go. Okay, I'm sorry. Hey, what?
Remember the other day, Cody? So I thought my 25 is gone.
No, it's not. Because only 3750. If you blow 3750, let's say in a day, it's soft breach, not a.
Oh, okay.
So your still account is okay. If
Yeah,
it,
so I actually came back up. So now I'm break even and
no, but here's the problem though. How much? Okay,
okay, I will show you.
if you make, okay, Let's see.
I didn't make it in one day, so I followed the same. I never made more than 600. Yesterday I
Okay.
was making a little bit more, then I lost 200.
Okay.
It was 800. So first I thought it's gone.
Yeah.
But it was because I had profit, so I was down minus 2,300.
Okay.
So now.
Your threshold will always be 7,500 maximum, just like FTT, right? So if you made money, it doesn't mean they get added. So what's the maximum you lost in one day?
So that was, I think,
3750. So you lost the
or
3750.
maybe less.
No,
because-
but at 3750, it'll liquidate you because that's some 50% rule they have. It doesn't kill your account. So then you can start to make $600 back up. My problem was one day I lost more and I recovered the next day. But now my single day profit became 3750. So that's my problem. Now in order for me to get paid, you know how much money I have to be? 3750 divided by 20%. Unless I get to 18,750, they're not gonna pay me $3,000.
Okay, so I guess
So-
my account is still okay. So
Yes, you're fine. Now you have passed the one deal, you have passed the second deal. The moment you get to 9,000,
9,000 or 7,000?
no, they changed, 7,500.
7,500, right?
Then they will give you $3,000.
Okay, yes.
So at least it's like a fresh account.
Yeah, so it's, right now it's like a fresh account, except that I met all the
So
things,
look, you're 150 grand, $66.
$66.
So it's like a fresh account.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you just
So
now
just
gotta make, so you have recovered, anything you lost, you had
and I
recovered.
still have the 7,500
Yes,
now.
true. Yeah.
Okay. Just wanted to confirm.
No problem, absolutely. Let it touch mid-band again. है नहीं जाने दें 10 तक का वेट करें Perfect, beautiful. $285, guys. Let's get ready.
If you have time to look at that.
Oh, yes.
Sorry, man.
Let me just do this one trade and then 287. Beautiful, 58.
What's the highest?
Yep. 288. Let it break, 287. Testing the midman. Yeah, tested the midman. $300. Let's see. Come on down, more. Little bit more. Little bit more.
मैंने कहा वेट करने का कितना फायदा होता है, सीरियसली पूरी कसर निकाल
नहीं, कल वो पूरा मैथ करके देखे
हमने जो किया था जबरदस्त किया
कि बॉम्ब से दूर रहना है।
हाँ
अब ये मंडे से रोले खत्म, बैक टू मिड बैंड, बैक टू स्मूथ मार्केट, बैक टू R1 पे थोड़े से 5 मिल जाएंगे, R2 पे मिल जाएंगे, R3 सारा। किसका? नहीं, उसके बाद चीजें सही हो गई ना, ट्यूसडे उसके बाद जरा चीजें हो जाए, ट्यूसडे के बाद।
All the earnings are done for this quarter, right?
अगर ट्रम्प आया तो इन्होंने मार्केट गिरा देंगे, अगर कामला आई तो चढ़ा देंगे। तो दैट्स माय ऑब्जर्वेशन, कुड बी रॉन्ग। कामला,
Hopefully we will know by this time next week.
यस
Hopefully. Who knows?
हैं? ट्रम्प कालशी में देखता हूँ व्हेन हु इज बेरिंग। So based on American people who are betting $141 million, 56% Trump, 44%. So Kamala's support is going up. But if anybody,
Just betting on elections.
oh man, you can go bet on how much weather will be today. Yeah. So go and look at the best one is I like the best one, climate. So you can bet what would be the highest climate today in New York. So sorry.
Where the betting?
No. You can bet on anything from movie.
They have money to bet on.
No, it's gambling, right? So this website called Kalshi.com, KALSHI.com, for American people who want to gamble, right? It's like a casino. So you can now gamble into, you can say highest temperature in New York today. If you paid $100, you will get 144. If you said no, you will get $186. So the bet right now is every day, every second, every minute. So 141 million people have traded in terms of Donald Trump and Harris. This is fun to watch. It's just, you can go pick a movie. So for example, I would like to do the market of video games. They're saying, will PS6 will be announced before 2027? You can bet or no, yes or no. There is no third option, yes or no, right? So, game of the year, Final Fantasy 7 versus Astro Bot, right? So, GTA 6 release.
2026.
Do you think 2026? So, before 2026 or before July 2025? Now, that's the question. So, Taylor Swift. Will Taylor Swift be on Spotify top number 1? Yes or no? Yeah, but this year, they have the bet saying, so 61,000 people, $61,000 got traded there. So let's see if 250 becomes your base. Remember, 250 is bouncing from over and over and over again, just like 130.
Oh yeah, I've been watching this. It's just
1137, guys. Nobody should be trading now, technically, because you can get stuck. Only wait for areas 350 for Nasdaq and 5810 or higher for ES. These are the two numbers. 300 के देखें 287 पे तो आ गई है, 288 पे, तो 300 तो फिर बहुत क्लोज है ना, तो 350, 350.
Should you go like 5 micros or?
You can go 5 micro, should be okay. Remember, market has reversed almost 260 points from last night. So my guess was 789, 35% of it is 276 points. So right now it's trading at 288, 220 minus, it went 21017. So exactly 271 points, 35% retrace is done. Will it get to 350? Difficult. Because 789, if you look at the chart of 240 minutes, the swing down came 782, if you're watching that chart. 240 chart, MNQ or NQ, the swing is 782. नहीं 50 सर पूरा एरिया से 340 के बाद आप रिस्क लेना शुरू करें. 700 300 हटा दें क्योंकि 288 से मुड़ गई. So बात ये है कि sorry, so the swing down came 782 points. Look at the bottom, it says lower low. So that the whole yellow dotted line is showing 782 points down in one day. So based on mathematics, if it takes a 35% retrace, that's what is 782 35%? That's 273 points. 273 points from the lowest point is what? 2007 देखें. 20,007 plus 273. Look at the number 280. Where did it bounce down from? 288. So it has done the full retrace, 35% of yesterday. Now two things have to happen. Right now, I don't think it has the energy to go to 350, but 350 would be the strong support. So how big the swing is based on that. So let's see. But I'm waiting for 350 though. I'm not entering before. Now give me any dust. Now I'm ready. I'm not in any trade whatsoever.
1906.
1906.
931.
Yes. Accept please. And what do we have to do? Remind me.
Copier.
Copier. Yes.
How does the market be today? The areas will change, right, at that time? Right, Rafiq?
Yes.
That 350 is for today. Right?
350 is valid today. You will see evening areas for Sunday to about 500. So Daniel, watch this. Sunday night, I can tell you the areas ahead. In the evening area, Sunday night will come 550. So 550 would be becoming your expected high. So in advance, you can truly calculate everything.
Thank you, Rafiq. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah, you got nothing. I think everything got reinstalled maybe. So let me.
Yeah, I don't have anything.
Okay. Take care. Thanks for the samosa, like 2,000 samosas, man. Like,
2,000?
no, I mean, you brought so many of them. No, but even 50 were too much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care, boss. Why are you watching it like this?
Oh, because I was doing the two accounts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ninja Block Trades. I gotta download the latest file. Can you type in your phone number here? Yeah.
For the ID?
Yeah.
Thank you. There you go. पूरा बेलना बना दिया है 240 पे दोनों हैंडल है ना मैं उसको इसी तरह देखता हूँ हर कैंडल को अगर वो बिल्कुल दोनों साइड से है ना तो बेलने जैसा बन जाता है कि अगर 240 का चार्ट देखें ना हाई लो हाँ वो तो मेजॉरिटी वो बने हो ना तो वो बिल्कुल सेंटर में बड़े आड़ बनते हैं लास्ट टाइम इस तरह की स्विंग आई थी बेलने वाली 24 अक्टूबर के बाद रेड वाली
must update my charts.
You're up to the latest one. Yeah, it is
No,
latest.
no, it's just some of them I deleted and it's saved like the charts
Okay.
I've been using.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So let's
the
do it.
240
Okay,
is all messed up.
no problem. Let me.
ये 240 के चार्ट में पिवट 20173 के आसपास दिख रहा है
ये देखें पीपी लिखा हुआ है 2017 पे है या और वो अगर आप देखेंगे पूरी कैंडल का सेंटर है
हाँ जी
तो 2017 पे आपका लॉन्ग उस तरह बन जाएगा क्योंकि अगर ऊपर की तरफ ट्रेंड हुआ तो आप अभी बेरिश है ना 240 का चार्ट तो जैसे बुलिश होगा तो वो पिवट पॉइंट से अगर ऊपर निकल गई
तो भी इसका तो R1 भी 20338 पे है
यस अभी R2 टेस्ट हो रहा है एज ए बेस 240 240 250
पहले R1 टैप हो गया थी
यस यस
तो वही अपना माल ऊपर बेच जाते हैं नीचे सस्ता बेच जाते हैं करके
क्योंकि कहीं ने जो बेचा है वो निकलेगा जो सेल किया है वो या स्टॉप लॉस से निकलेगा या टीपी से
वैसे भी सर आज फ्राइडे है
नहीं नहीं ट्रेडिंग डन है इफ यू आर इन पॉजिटिव you should call it a day. Okay, let me fix your charts. This is all done. So your original templates that Daniel sent you, where are they? Which folder? Trading?
No, it's MD.
Yeah, MD something.
No,
Yeah,
no,
this one?
Yeah, I think that's the one.
When did he give you the file? Which day?
Oh, that was probably like 2 months ago.
Let me just check. It has to be after July. Let me see. Options, properties. So it was created August. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you got the right ones. This one?
What are you looking for?
This is your Ninja 8. हेलो जी सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर दियो एनी डेस्क फटाफट मैंने व्हाट्सएप करो भेजो ठीक है व्हाट्सएप करो ठीक है व्हाट्सएप करो ओके हाँ जी दियो जी $1385 लेकिन तुसी ट्रेडो अच्छा एक्सेप्ट करो ट्रेडोवेट भी तो बंद कर दिया करो ना उतो नहीं लेकिन ट्रेड देखो इस पोजीशन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ट्रेडोवेट ਦੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਹੈ ट्रेडोवेट ਕਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਊਸ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ हाँ खोलो खोलो हाँ जी हाँ लॉग इन करो इधर एक सेकंड देखो 400 बनया हुआ है इतने देखो ए बन गया जी हो गया जी बंद हो गया ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम हमेशा ट्रेडोवेट रख के रखा करो प्लीज सर ओके थैंक यू जी थैंक यू ओके और सर ठीक है
Finally, I managed one, but I got confused. So I wanted to choose the right account.
दे any desk
1556
Open it up. I've done it.
Oh, okay, thank you.
1556.
884
तो आपको सिग्नेचर में नज़र आ गया था,
आ गया।
तो फिर वहाँ जाएं, साइन करें, पे कर दें।
लेकिन आप कह रहे थे ना कि वन टाइम और मंथली।
नहीं, आपने लेजेंड्स पास किया है या आपने एपेक्स पास किया है? तो दोनों आपने मंथली पे करना है या वन टाइम?
वन टाइम।
तो फिर वन टाइम क्लिक कर दें।
वो मैं देखा नहीं इसलिए।
मैं दिखाता, इसकी मैंने सारी वीडियो बनाई हुई है। ये देखें, सिग्नेचर में जाएं,
जी
ये पेंडिंग है, पास हो गया, इसको किया है। अब नीचे लिखा हुआ है, पहले यहाँ अपना ड्राइवर लाइसेंस डालें,
अच्छा।
अपना ड्राइवर लाइसेंस डालें। दिस मिडमैन वर्क टू
नंबर ना,
या नीचे साइन कर दें।
ये थोड़ा मुझे वही कंफ्यूज हो गया।
Alright guys, almost 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna call the stream offline. See you guys Monday at 9:30. Take care. तो 350 भी आप लोगों ने वेट करना है, ऑफिस खुला है, वो बैठे हैं, मैं जा रहा हूँ, वो बैठे हैं। 350 लें, अभिषेक 2 माइक्रो भेज दें, 3 भेज दें,
यस
ये टाइप करेंगे। मैं भी आपके साथ ही शॉट करूँगा फ़ोन से, कोई बात नहीं।
So that is the solid broker, AMP.
Broker is called ampfutures.com. You can,
I just go there and.
yeah, fill up the
वन
application.
टाइम ऑटोमेटिक है।
ये साइन करें, पहले मैं बताता हूँ। वो कहने सिग्नेचर बहुत छोटा है, दोबारा जाएं, इसमें अब माइक्रो कर करके निकालने हैं 1500, स्लोली और एरिया से करना है।
अच्छा
ये दोबारा करें और साइन बड़ा करें।